Good morning, one and all. Myself Ajitesh Sahu of class 12th, greatly thankful to my teachers to give me this opportunity to aware you all about the importance of the Paper Bag Day. The Paper Bag Day is celebrated all across the world on 12th July. This is used to spread about the importance of use of paper bag instead of the plastic bag. The adverse effect of plastic bags on our environment has led to the usage of paper bags. The paper bags are easily reducible, recyclable, and can be decomposed, while plastic bags take thousands of years to be decomposed. Environmental pollution can be curbed using paper bags, and hence millions of people are switching to the paper bags, which in turn reducing the usage of plastic bags in our world and making our planet more healthier. The adverse effects of plastic bags on our world is as follows. First, it can choke the drainage system of the cities, which can lead to the increase of the water level on the streets if it rains. Second, if eaten by any animal, then it can choke their food pipe and hence lead to their death. Third, the only way to get rid of plastic is to burn them, as they are not biodegradable, and hence it can lead to the global warming. The importance of usage of paper bag are as follows. First, the most important one is that it is used to reduce the importance of a plastic bag in our day-to-day life. Second, it can be used to store light items such as newspaper, plastic bags, etc., and can be easily reducible and recyclable. Third, it contains major source of carbon which have a brown compost material. Fourth, it can be easy to store items, and it can easily store vegetables like onion for months in a dry place. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Amar Singh Rajput from class 12th Commerce. So today we are discuss about why we use paper bags and what is the advantages of paper bags. So there we go. First thing is that the paper bag was very helpful for our earth and our environment, and it was helpful for our body and our day-to-day life from different type of diseases. So we use the paper bags and protect our earth. Okay, the first thing that it was a good for environment, and it was a protect the environment from a different type of diseases. Okay, and it was a biodegradable, and it was reusable and recyclable, and the main thing is that it was eco-friendly. It was the biggest point. It was a biggest point, and it was a durables. Okay, and you thought it was a not fascinating to go outside and people look about that it was a crazy about it. No, it was also in a fashionable. Yeah, and it was already used in different movies and fashion shows. Okay, it was a very fashionable, and it was a good for you moment. Why do you want it? Okay, keep in this pandemic we are using and spending our time mostly in mobile phones and TVs. So can we spend our time for making this type of paper bags for usage of our day-to-day life? And it was a very good thing and good way to spend your time and protect our environment also. So keep doing this type of job, and it was easy to make this type of bags. Why you said go and make this type of bags and enjoy your life happily. For watching this video and enjoy your life and be happy and spread happiness.
Hello and good afternoon to everyone. I am Devanshi of class 12 science. I am here to express my views on the importance of paper bags. Paper bags are gaining importance as these bags are 100% reusable, recyclable and biodegradable, and at the same time environment friendly and pose less threat to wildlife. It requires less energy for paper bag to be recycled than plastic bags. Paper bags are hard and long lasting. The paper bags are generally box shaped in design that allows them to stand upright and hold more goods. Corporators are using paper bags for promotions, seminars, product packaging and branding purpose. Paper bags are usually made from woods, so these bags can be reproduced into newspapers, magazines and books. Waste paper are also biodegradable, so they can be easily degenerate and do not pile up at dump sites. Unlike plastic bags, paper bags do not need we don't need UV rays to destroy them. So use paper bags and save environment. Thank you.
Plastic bags cause environmental damage such as increase the level of air pollution. Plastic bags not only have adverse effects on natural habits. Therefore, many animals, plastic bags are not renewable and you need UV ray to destroy it, which is harmful for environment. Paper bag, on the other hand, are environment friendly can be done recycled. Paper bags are usually made of from wood, so these bags can be produced into a new paper like newspaper are also biodegradable, so they can be easily regenerated and do not pile up of dump sites. You can also buy them a very good price, particularly if they are
Go green with paper bags. Everything is fantastic. Respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Jagriti Shukla of class 12th, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Ankleshwar. I am here to aware the people to use paper bags in day-to-day life. Paper Bag Day is globally celebrated on July 12. As the name suggests, the day is celebrated to raise and create awareness about using paper bags in day-to-day life. In terms of uses, paper bags are not only sturdy and durable but are also eco-friendly, since climate change is one of the biggest concerns across the world in today's time. A switch from plastic bag to paper bag is now important. Paper bags are biodegradable, and so when they are disposed of, they leave less carbon footprint. The advantages of paper bags. Using paper bag is eco-friendly. Packing in a paper bag is considered upmarket and classy. Packing in a simple bag and in attractive printed bags will be definitely give an edge to the product. Paper bags are made up of renewable resources and so they can easily recyclable. Paper bags are biodegradable and do not leftover toxins. Stop begging the planet. Say no to plastic bags and say a big yes to paper bags. Paper bags can break down and go back into the ground, whereas it takes over 100 plus years for plastic to break down. Stand against environment pollution. and use paper bags. Use a paper bags as much as possible and make a Mother Earth plastic free. On this paper bag day, let's join hands together and take a pledge and do your bit for our environment. Avoid plastic bags and switch to paper bags. Happy paper.
Hello friends, I am Chatterjee of class 12 and I am here with a paper bag and I am sharing today this paper bag is second, easily recyclable, third, biodegradable, fourth, the paper bag that consumes or that engage with consumers, fifth, it is a sustainable part of our life, sixth, it is a safer for plants and animals.
Myself Khushi Joshi. Today I am sharing importance about paper bags. Paper bags are natural, reusable, recyclable and biodegradable. It is eco-friendly and poses less threat to wildlife. It is available in cheap price. Nowadays people are preferring paper bags as plastic bags are not renewable and are very hazardous to us and our environment. That is why millions of people are switching to paper bags every day.
This one is a plastic bag and this one is a paper bag. What do you think? Which one is better for our environment? Of course, it is this paper bag. So why are you then using this plastic bag which is causing so much harm to our environment and is non-biodegradable? Do you know due to these plastic bags, many animals are losing their lives because they unknowingly eat this plastic bag or plastic stuffs and then they eventually die. So why are we using this plastic bag which is so harmful for our environment and which is causing imbalance in our ecosystem? So I request you all to please follow this step wherever you go. I request you all to please carry a paper bag or a cloth bag wherever you go to buy any kind of stuff, because this will reduce the usage of plastic and plastic bags. I request you all to please follow this single step, because a single step can lead us to a milestone. The milestone is that we can become a plastic-free country, the first plastic-free country. Don't you want to be the member of a plastic-free country? So, please follow this step. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kritika Vasawa, studying in class 12 Science of Kendriya Vidyalay, ONGC Ankleshwar. As we all know, today is International Paper Bag Day. So I am here to share you about International Paper Bag Day. This day is celebrated worldwide on 12 July. This day encourages us and aware us to use eco-friendly paper bags. Now, let us see some of the importance of paper bags. Paper bag is biodegradable and good for the environment. Paper bag is made up of natural materials. Paper bag can be reused and recycled. Paper bags are good to the environment and are eco-friendly. Paper bag is an alternative to reduce the use of plastic bags. So let us start a new initiative by using the paper bag and say no to the plastic bags. Thank you.
Today Kunal Patil is here to share some advantages of paper bags over plastic bags. First one, paper bags are really very cheap than plastic bags. Second one, they are pollution free. Third one, they are fresh as compared to plastic bags. Fourth one, they are easily available in the market. Fifth one, they are easily recyclable. Sixth one, they are reusable. Thank you.
I'm Nisha of class 12 Commerce. Today I'm going to share some importance of paper bag on the occasion of Paper Bag Day, which is celebrated worldwide on July 12. Paper bags are 100% biodegradable, reusable and recyclable. Paper bags are eco-friendly. We can use paper bags again and again with careful handling. Paper bags are inexpensive and practical to use. Paper saves energy. It is made up of natural resources. And paper bag reduces the usage of plastic bags. Thank you, and use paper bags and make the earth plastic free.
Hi, myself of class 12 science. In this video I am going to tell you the importance of paper bag. Let's see what are they. Paper bags are 100% biodegradable. Yeah, you heard it right. 100% biodegradable. Paper bags are recyclable and thus a true friend of environment. Paper bags can be continuously reused, and used paper bags can be shipped to paper mills, and then new papers are made. Let's see its disadvantages. Paper bags are not waterproof and plastic bags are. And plastic bags are cheaper than paper bag. Due to these two disadvantages, people prefer plastic bags over paper bag. Instead of seeing disadvantages, we should see advantages and start using it. That's all. Happy paper bag day. Thank you.
I am Palak Sagar of class 12 Commerce. I am going to tell you about importance of paper bags. First, protect the environment. Plastic bags cause natural harm, for example, expanding the dimension of contamination. Plastic bags not just affect our common natural surroundings, the passing numerous creatures. Second, biodegradable, reusable and recyclable. Paper bags additionally offer numerous eco-accommodating advantages to the individuals who use them. They can be dealt with consistently reused. They are both recyclable and biodegradable. Third, save energy. These papers are also biodegradable, so they can be effectively degenerate. Do not heap up on dump destinations. 4. Eco-friendly. While we may be acquainted with seeing all of our nourishment enclosed by impenetrable, cling, wrap, sustains and espresso should not be restricted to just plastic.
Hello, I'm Sandhya Tomar of class 12 Science. Use paper bag instead of a plastic bag. Paper bag will make our planet more beautiful than using plastic bag. Our planet will shine like a diamond. Paper Bag Day is celebrated all over the world to spread awareness about using paper bag instead of a plastic bag. Environmental friendly bags are paper bags and clothes bags. Instead of using plastic bag, we should switch toward paper bag and clothes bag. Plastics are non-decomposable and also very harmful for our planet. Paper bags are environmental healthy and eco-friendly bags. They make our planet healthier, as paper bags are 100% decomposable because they do not contain any toxic and harmful material in it. We should switch toward using a paper bag instead of a plastic bag. As we are now moving towards sustainable lifestyle, then paper bags are the best option to make our sustainable lifestyle more beautiful. Go green with a paper bag. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I, Shivani of class 12th, I am going to tell you about the importance of using paper bags. Paper bags are 100% useful as they are 100% usable, recyclable and biodegradable. And at the same time they are environment friendly and pose less threat to wildlife. It requires less energy for paper bags to be recycled than plastic bags. That plastic waste takes thousands of years to decompose, then in this case it is important to understand the ill effects of single-use plastic bags. So, reduce, refuse, reuse, recycle plastic bags. Renew, reuse, recycle paper bags. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, I am Shri Ingoli from class 12A. I am here to tell you some important points on paper bag. Paper bag are gaining importance as these bags are 100% recyclable, reusable and biodegradable, and at that very moment eco-friendly also. It reduces the use of plastic bag to save our planet Earth, as well as the pollution and global warming might be in our feast in upcoming year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shanshi Mori of class 12 Science. Paper bags are gaining importance as these bags are 100% reusable, recyclable and biodegradable, and at the same time environmental friendly. Here are some uses of paper bags. Stored vegetables. You can store vegetables like onion and garlic for months by storing it in a dry place. Paper bag can be a perfect thing to carry newspaper and plastic bottles. You can also buy them at a very cheap price. Corporates are nowadays using paper bags for promotions, seminars, product packaging and branding purpose as they are competitively priced. So from now, start using paper bags.
Good morning, my name is Vismaya Prasad. I am from class 12B. I am here to say something about the importance of plastic bags. First of all, we go through about the poem about the plastic bags. Plastic bags, they are everywhere. We throw them, we burn them and they pollute the air. From river and the oceans, they come ashore. They kill the aquatic life and yet we ask for more plastic bags. Plastic bags, they are disaster. Here, use of papers instead of plastic with the paper bags. The world like a diamond which shines everywhere. Go green with the paper bags. Everything is fantastic. Stop bagging the planet. Say no to plastic bags. Paper bags also offer many eco-friendly benefits to those who use them. They can be taken care of continually reused. They are both recyclable and biodegradable. The paper bags are made from the renewable. The natural resources can be reused or repeatedly and can be shipped to a paper mill and remade into a newspaper. So, what should we have to do? Go green with paper bags. Everything is fantastic.
With paper bags, the world is like a diamond which shines everywhere. Good morning, I'm Kalyani Mandal. Today, I'll talk to you about the importance of using paper bags. First, paper bags are gaining importance as these bags are 100% reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable. Second, using paper bags is eco-friendly. Third, several people are using bags every day which is made up of paper which help in curbing environmental pollution. Fourth, no doubt, using paper bags is important cornerstone to preserve our planet for future generation. Fifth, do you know that paper bags are made up of wood? That's why it can be easily converted into newspaper, magazines or books. Paper bags help a lot to our environment, but yes, we should not waste it or should not overdo it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi everyone, so my name is Pavitra Pillai and today we are going to talk about paper bags. As we all know that the 12th of July is totally dedicated for paper bags because on the 12th of July we celebrate World Paper Bag Day. But how many of us know about the advantages of paper bags in our life? First things first, they are biodegradable, which means they can be recycled into the product that we want. Secondly, they are reusable and there are a lot of advantages hidden behind this paper bag. But as we say that every coin has two sides, like that, everything in this world has a positive side and a negative side. So the negative side of paper bags is that their strength is a little bit low. That means you can't carry those things which you took directly from the freezer or the refrigerator into paper bags because they are porous and they may soak the water and become soggy. But still, I think if someone came to me and told me that paper bags has their disadvantages and if he or she told me all these things, I would simply say, we all have mobile phones at our homes, right? And we all know that mobile phones emit harmful radiations which are really bad for our body, for our health. Still we use them. So why can't we use paper bags which are no harmful for our body? They are really good for the environment and they cause no harm to our body. So switch to paper bags. The one thing that you should always remember is that, or maybe you should take care about, is that never let plastic bags be the main ingredient in your grandchildren's recipes. So we should go green, we should use paper bags rather than using plastic bags and have a safe world. Because if you think that this earth is your mother, is your world, then go green and get some paper bags. So I think that you all loved this video. So thank you and have a fantastic day ahead. Go green.
Hi, this is Priya Sharma and today I am going to share my views on the topic paper bag. Let me tell you about what happened in 1852. An American inventor, Francis Wall, established the first paper bag machine. Post that several inventors came and improved the production of paper bags. and made it reality to make commercial use of paper bag possible. In several countries, Paper Bag Day is celebrated on different dates. However, in major economy, it infamously is going to be celebrated on 12th of July, that is today. Post history, let me explain a bit about paper bags. Paper bags are made from renewable raw materials, are recyclable and biodegradable. No doubt, they are strong and are used on almost all occasions. Several people are using bags every day made up of paper that help in curbing environmental pollution. Due to globalization, climate change, and scarcity of raw material, people are adopting sustainable lifestyle choices, and paper bag is one of them. It reduces the use of plastic bags, which cause pollution and are non-biodegradable. Hence, not only it make lifestyle sustainable for our parents and us, it also help preserve the environment for many generations to come. So, on the closing note, as a popular belief goes, with a paper bag, the world is like a diamond which shines everywhere. Thank you.
I'm Jamie, who is going to tell you about the paper bags. There are millions of people who are using the paper bags. As we know that the paper bags are recyclable things, so we recycle it and use it again. But there are millions of people also who are using the polythene bags. Polythene bags are very harmful for our environment and even for our health. So I requested you all to use the paper bag instead of using the polythene bags. Thank you.